Everybody, today I'm going to share some points about emergency fund. So in this module, I'll be talking about financial emergency, need for an emergency fund, how much should you put into an emergency fund, and how to create an emergency fund. So we'll discuss about what is financial emergency. So it is a situation that puts you into a spot with an unexpected or unplanned expenses. A financial emergency results in you accessing funds to tide over the situation. For example, termite attack at home or breakdown of any home appliance and loss of job and even health emergency. So what is an emergency fund? It is the money that you have set aside for an emergency situation. So with an emergency fund in place, you can tackle any emergency situation. So how much should a rainy day fund have? So ideally set aside an amount which you are comfortable with, or according to the thumb rule, keep up to 6 months of your household expenses. So where should you maintain an emergency fund? So the money of the emergency should be set aside and should be easily accessible, like savings in bank accounts and bank FDs and even cash at home and liquid mutual funds. So how to build an emergency fund? Step 1, fix an amount. Step 2, set a time frame. Step 3, start with small sums and increase it monthly. Step 4, create an auto debit savings in your account. Step 5, review the progress at the end. So let us discuss about the factors impacting on the emergency fund. So there are totally 4 factors, that is income source, family situation, debt and risk quotient. So income source can be salaried or self-employed. Family situation can be single, married, children and even elderly dependent. Debt can be like paying EMIs and planning to borrow. And risk quotient can be you can be the risk averse or you can be the risk taker. So finally, we know that financial emergency is an unexpected expense. Emergency fund covers for sudden and emergency situations. Have an emergency fund of 6 months of your household expenses. Emergency fund should be easily accessible and review your progress at the end. So there's a saying that goes, having a backup in cricket is crucial to tackle any tough circumstance. Similarly, in life too, you need to plan ahead for a rainy day to get through the financial crisis without falling into risk of the debt. Thank you.